Hi everyone, it's your favorite boy here, Ricky with Honeybee Stamps. I hope you're doing well today. We are going to be making a card using some products from the latest release. We're going to be using the U buzzwords along with the matching dies. We're going to be using the Mod A2 cover plate. We're going to be using some black and white paper here, and we are also going to be using some gold glitter paper. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take this mod plate and go ahead and get this cut out of the gold glitter paper here. So we're going to run it through the die cutting machine. I did put a shim under this because I wasn't for sure how well it would cut with the glitter paper. But actually, this whole process was a happy accident because when it came out, none of the pieces actually came out. And we're going to do the same thing with the black cardstock here. I'm going to tape it down to the cover plate, go ahead and run it through the die cutting machine. And on this, the pieces came out pretty easily, probably because there's no backing onto this. So here you go. I was trying to put this on to see what this would look like. And I was like, no, I should probably go ahead and remove the gold because I'm going to offset it to make it look a little cool. But then as I was going through it, I was like, you know what? These pieces are a little tough to come through. So let me just take out a couple of them and see what I think about it if I place the black back over it. So here I am. I'm going to remove some of the pieces. And then I'm going to go ahead and get this glued down. I was so shocked, you guys, about how good this looked. It was such a happy accident, honestly. I did not expect this to happen. And it's actually a lot better than I thought the card was going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and place this down. I have all these pieces glued up onto here. And my head gets in the way. And of course, I don't even get it even the first time. But I'm going to go ahead and place that down onto the white card base, which is a 110-pound Nina Solar white. And then I'm going to use some honeybee stamps glue here, and go ahead and get this put down onto the gold glitter stock paper. And you guys, I was totally wowed by this. I could not believe how good it looked. I know I may be over exaggerating, but this looks so cool and so much cooler than I thought it was going to be or what I had planned for this card, because this is actually a card I did not plan. I was just going on the whim just to make it. All right, so now that we have the base done, we are going to go ahead and cut out all the layers of the U buzzword. We're going to do that in white cardstock. We're also going to do this in the glitter cardstock as well. And we are also going to do it out of black cardstock. So here you go. You see me cutting out the glitter cardstock here. And then we'll do the same thing for the black. And I'm just going to tape down all of these pieces. And then we will run it through the die cutting machine, which I usually don't show you guys on film because that is super boring. But anyway, here we go. We got the last piece of tape on here. We're going to run it through the die cutting machine. And once it comes out, we're going to start popping some pieces out and getting the letters all put together and all that great stuff. I love this bottom layer because it has like a pierced edge, which I just really love. And then here I go, I'm removing the pieces from the gold. And I don't know if you could tell, but I'm rocking back and forth as I'm doing this. But there we go. I think that looks really good. So I have that all put together there. And the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and get the sentiment stamped out. And I'm using a sentiment from the U buzzwords. And we're just going to use some Honeybee Stamps embossing ink here, which is new. So make sure that you go check that out over on the website. And I'm going to rub the stamp because I've never used it before and go ahead and get this stamped out onto the black cardstock. Now that I have that stamped out, I am going to go ahead and put some gold embossing powder on this so that we can get it to match the card a little bit. Really wasn't, I was going to do black and white, and I was like, let's give it a little bit of gold. So I heat set that, and now I'm going to go cut this, and this is where things almost go disastrous. I actually cut this a little too close to the edge of the sentiment, actually to like the very top pieces of the word. So I had to do a little bit of surgery here with my scissors very carefully. I've cut this out so that it was super thin, and it was a success. Now we're going to go ahead and get these U's all glued down together. So this is the first layer. We're going to go ahead and get that down using the tweezers from Honeybee Stamps. We're also going to be using the glue and the tweezers to go ahead and get this gold piece down. And then we have the buzzword done. Next, we're going to back everything with 3M foam tape so that we can get this pop up onto the panel. And you guys, this card is complete. It took me a total of 22 minutes to make this card. That is with like cleaning time and everything. So it's a little crazy. I can't believe it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. We truly appreciate it over at Honeybee Stamps. Make sure that you head over to the website and check out their latest release by clicking the links in the description. Also, be sure to join Honeybee Stamps on all their social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook. They have a challenge group over on Facebook that you can join. You can also find me over on Instagram and on YouTube by searching for Bromero Cards, or you can just click my name in the title of this video and it'll take you straight to my channel as well, so you can view some other cards that I've made for Honeybee Stamps and, just having fun. So thank you guys very much. I really appreciate you watching this video. I hope you have a great new year, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.